Good day everyone, my name is Rex Magdaluyo from Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering 1A. Ngayon naman, ay papakita ko sa inyo kung paano kunin ang derivatives of hyperbolic functions. Ang problem natin ay find the derivative of y is equals to cos h ln x. Solution natin ay y is equals cos h ln x. Mag dy over dx is equals to sin h ln x times the derivative of ln x. Ito ang ating u. Magiging ito pala ang derivative ng ating cos h. Baba lang natin sin h over x. At ito na ang ating sagot.